Okay, hello and welcome. Chris here, and in this video I'm going to run through the Logo Maker, aka the one-click logo software tool, which is really the quickest way to create logos for any website. And in particular, the logos we're going to create are also perfectly formatted for the Done For You website and also the Reseller Titan theme. So for example, this is the Resell Titan theme, and you can see that we have a logo here which is in a fairly specific size. If I just load the image up, and we'll see the size. It's like 300 by 53, so you can kind of see the aspect ratio of the image. You can see the rough size, you can see it's sort of long and then fairly small. You can see the color scheme. It's basically that kind of logo that we're going to be looking to create here. So the software itself is very simple, very easy to use. The first thing we'll want to do is we'll want to enter our website name, for example Resell Titan, or the .com website address, for example reselltitan.com. And then we want to just choose a few settings, choose the fonts, choose from the different niche categories. Then all we do is browse the logos and save the ones we like to our computer, and then finally we upload them to our website. And of course we should always bear in mind our font style, our color scheme, etc. as we're going through this process, so that whatever logo we create matches the color and the general style of our website. Now the way that we can upload our logo will vary from website to website, and I'll run through that in just a second. So let's just dive over to the one-click logo software. And the first thing it will do is it will ask you the type. Now, as you can see, we have different categories here. These are kind of some of the top niches for e-commerce and for internet marketing, which is why we have these niches. I'm going to do one for Resell Titan, and so I'm just going to uncheck all of the different categories that I don't think will relate to making money or Resell Titan, basically. So you can see I've left money making, affiliate and other open, and if you have a product that doesn't fit with any of these niches, then you can either include all of them and you might get lucky, or you can just include other, and that was going to bring up some sort of generic results. Next we can enter our keywords. Now we can upload an image. Not all of the designs will work with an image, but many of them will. But the first thing we want to do is to enter either the website URL or the domain name. So I'm just going to put in Resell Titan. You could also put in, reselltitan.com if you wanted to, but for the purposes of this I'm just going to put in Resell Titan here. Next we can choose our font. So you can see we have all these different fonts. You can see how the fonts look here. So if you see one you like the look of, I quite like the look of, let's say Ubuntu. So I'm going to select that one. And then we just click on Create Logo Designs. And what the software will do is it will automatically take that text that we've entered and insert it into an image, which has basically got a logo on the left and then an empty space where that text will be entered. Now if I just enter in a load, make this really long, I just want to show you something, then you'll see that it doesn't look good. Okay, and likewise if I just enter a single character, you'll see it doesn't look good. So you should really enter a number of characters that's probably between sort of 5 and 30, and it will stretch out accordingly. You can see Resell Titan is kind of in the right position there. You can also try playing around with the fonts if you want, so try these different fonts and see what works. That's quite a good font actually, Russo 1. So then we can just browse through and look for a logo that we like the look of. Let's see. I actually quite liked that one then that we've just gone past, the dark green one. So I would just click on this and just save this now to my desktop, and then it's just a case of us actually uploading this particular image. So obviously there are different ways that you can do this depending on how your website works. If it's WordPress and if it's Resell Titan, then you'll want to go into WordPress admin, appearance, and then customize. If it's and then theme header, a customized theme header rather. if it's with a done for you website, then you want to go into WordPress admin, pages, and global design. So let me just show you how to do this with the Resale Titan theme. So if we just go over to the WordPress admin, and as I say, we want to go to a WordPress admin, appearance, and then customize theme. So let's just quickly do that. So appearance, and then customize. And from there, we can basically go into appearance and then customize theme header. So we just click on theme header, which is here, and you can see this is the logo we currently have. We want to click on remove and then replace it, or we can just click on change image and upload that new image from our computer, and it will then appear here. Obviously those instructions will vary slightly depending on exactly how, if you've got a Resale Titan website, if you've got a done for you website, you've got a completely different website. But it's a very useful tool, the Logo Maker, the one-click logo software, to create logos that we can use for almost any website, but in particular for the done for you websites and the Resale Titan theme websites. So hopefully this video was useful, and definitely check out the Logo Maker and start creating logos. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.